¿Cómo está, capo? Welcome back to my channel, NateVlog here. Good morning. So today we're gonna check out the Magnolia chicken lumpia, yeah, from Walmart. Remember we tried the pork? Well, last is the chicken. So anyway, yes, I'm pretty excited about this. The pork one was actually really delicious. So, all right, chicken, can you compete with that? Let's do it. Get to the kitchen, everybody. I'm hungry. Breakfast. Let's go. Okay, so here it is. That's what it looks like. Made in the USA. There we go. Chicken lumpia. All right, well, let's get this fire going now. There we go. Got the new stove here. Okay, so today we're just using regular vegetable oil. Yeah. Fry these bad boys up. Should be good, right? Yeah. Now we just wait. Okay, so since we're waiting for that, let's just go ahead and open this up right here. There they are. Oh, alright. Let's see, how many should we need? That's good, right? Okay, let's see if this is ready. We got ourselves a chopstick. Let's see if it boils. See any bubbles going on down there? Yep. Alright. Take our lumpia and, oh god, here we go, here we go. Oh shit! Oh! Alright, yeah. It's frying up. Turn this down. Yeah. Put that on there. Lid. Just wait. Let's see how these are cooking. How those look, huh? Flip it over. Yep, they're cooking alright. Need a golden brown, that's what we want. Golden brown. Lumpia! Yeah, cooking along just fine. Back on there so the grease doesn't fly everywhere. Just waiting. Alright, let's flip them again. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Almost done here. See that? Perfecto. Sheesh. Look at that. Alright, that should be it. Yep, we're done. Alright, turn off the fire. There we go. We got ourselves a done plate here with a paper towel to drain this grease. See that grease? Don't want that on our body. No, no, no. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Fold this over. Pat, pat, pat. See that grease? Look at that. Look at that right there. Whoa, that would have clogged up my arteries even more. No, thank you. Yeah. Alright. There you have it. Nice lumpia. Does this right here look like that? Yeah, they do. Alright. So anyways, chicken lumpia from the Philippines. Let's go ahead and try them out. So yeah, there you go. How do they look? Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. Chicken lumpia. I know it's not that popular in the Philippines, just pork, but alright. Walmart edition. Has a nice crunch to it. Chicken, and I think there's carrots in there as well. Yeah, so really juicy, lots of flavor. See that? Want a bite? Masarap. But you know what? It's missing the dipping sauce. I don't understand. Like, you're supposed to have a special sauce that goes with the lumpia, but they never come with it. I don't. Well, why? Why? Bakit po? Huh? But anyways, yeah, it is really delicious. Now, which one's better, pork or this chicken? Baboy or manok? You know what? I'm gonna have to go with the pork. Yeah. I mean, this is good. Don't get me wrong. This is not bad. It's good. It's just gotta stick with the original, right? But hey, if you're at Walmart, definitely give this a try. I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, hey, that's pretty good, right? All right, well, let's go ahead and wrap this up. So I got 3 left. Here, grab it. You want it? Tasty. Come on. So sarap. Yeah? No? All right. Well, there you have it. That is the Walmart Chicken Lumpia by Magnolia. Hope you guys dig it all the way. Terminado. Yes. Philippines. Thumbs up to you guys. Alright. Anyways, hope you guys dig it all the way. NateVlog approves. Go to Walmart, check it out. And yeah, we will see you. Make sure to go hit up my PayPal right there. Yep. Venmo. Yeah. And don't forget, it's description down below. That's where it is. So if you want to support NateVlog, go do it. All right. Salamat po. We will see you next time. Look at that. All done. That was a fantastic breakfast. Chicken lumpia. Still like, what? Chicken lumpia? All right. Bye-bye. Adios.